This is the story of Prachay. A story built one step at a time, solving one problem at a time. And how one thing led to another, making Prachay what it is today. What began as a small idea has today become a complete debt ecosystem for business finance needs of mid-sized businesses. Something we never planned, but built with purpose. In 2014, we started Prachay Advisor with a simple goal: help good businesses get good debt from banks and financial institutions. We acted like an extended finance team for our clients. We understood their business plan, found the right lenders, negotiated terms, handled all the paperwork, and guided them till the loan was fully repaid. Borrowers got the money they needed, banks were repaid on time with no losses, and we learned business finance directly from the borrower's point of view. But after a few years, we noticed something important. Some business needs were urgent, some were unique, and some did not fit into the standard banking guidelines. And when banks could not help, businesses had no options but to go for informal lenders. We thought there has to be a better way. And we asked ourselves, why only arrange finance? Why not provide it? And that is how Prachay Capital, our NBFC, was born in 2017. Our promise was clear: move fast when businesses need funds, be flexible when traditional banking cannot, and provide the right solution while balancing risk and opportunities. We were not selling loans. We were solving business finance problems using debt. Businesses loved the approach, and Prachay Capital started growing fast. And just when we were getting started, the IL&FS crisis shook the entire NBFC industry. Banks almost stopped funding to smaller NBFCs like ours. We had many opportunities, but no bank funding. But instead of waiting, we pivoted again. We started raising money directly from investors. That decision changed everything. Today, a major part of our funding comes directly from our investors without depending on any other financial intermediary, bank or a NBFC. A rare strength for a company of our size. Sometimes the opportunities were bigger than what we wanted to lend alone. So we structured the funding in the form of unlisted bonds, and other investors co-invested with us. We learned something powerful. Investors wanted access. If we give them the right structure, they were willing to participate. But then we realized that borrowers preferred a single lender instead of many. So we decided to pool investor money in one place and lend from that pool. This reduced risk for investors and gave borrowers a single point access. And this is how our Category 2 AIF was launched in 2021. And as we kept growing, we realized that to reduce cost of funds, we had to reach to a much larger investor base. So we thought of raising funds through listed bonds. But then there was one rule: a company cannot market or sell its own bonds. Only a registered debt broker can do that. We approached large brokers, but our issue was too small and our model was too unique. No one agreed to help. So we did what entrepreneurs always do. We built the bridge ourselves. In October 2024, Prachay Securities secured its SEBI-registered debt broking license. We did not realize it back then, but this license would become a turning point for our next big leap. Just a few months later, in March 2025, Prachay Capital went public with its first NCD issue and got listed on BSE in the debt segment. It was our way of saying that we can handle public money responsibly and we are ready for the highest standards of corporate governance. After the listing, a bigger thought emerged. If we could raise bonds for ourselves, we could raise for others. If we could do it offline, we could do it online. That thought became BondSmart, a digital platform for buying and selling of corporate bonds. Our mission was simple: help underrated companies get access to corporate bond market and help investors get access to high yield bonds. But to truly build India's corporate bond market, we needed one more piece. India has mutual fund distributors, equity brokers, and insurance advisors. But there was no dedicated channel for distribution of fixed income securities. So we created BondSmart Fixed Income Channel Partner Network, connecting investment professionals across the country who can take corporate bonds directly to the investors. And as more investors began participating, one important gap became clear. Many first-time participants in the securities market did not have demat accounts, which meant they could not access the opportunities being created. So once again, we built what was needed. In April 2026, Prachay Securities became a registered depository participant, enabling investors to take the very first step and strengthening our ecosystem even further. While solving our own funding challenges, we ended up building something much bigger. What started as a small idea is now a complete debt ecosystem for mid-sized Indian businesses, from customized finance to private credit to an online bond platform and now to a nationwide distribution network. The mission has always been simple. Businesses should never stop growing because of lack of adequate and appropriate capital. Access to capital had to improve. Timing had to improve. Structure had to improve. This belief continues to drive us every single day. By connecting capital to opportunity, we are enabling money to move faster and more efficiently when it is needed the most. Prachay is professionally run and deeply purpose-driven. We're building an institution, not just a company. An institution designed to last, to evolve, and to contribute meaningfully to real economic growth. With one clear vision: channelize more investments directly into businesses and play our role in helping India become the largest economy by 2047. And on this journey, we invite you to walk with us.